Good morning, guys, and this is a third vlog from Alexi Forak and Forak Fysique. Breakfast time, and then again same type of breakfast: egg whites and 300 grams of jasmine rice. And Anichka is having a breakfast also right here.
I hate it.
Got done in less than 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And Anichka, I think she's still continuing with her breakfast.
Meal prepping, people. Meal prepping.
I got these containers yesterday from Costco. They're huge. Actually, fits all 8 pounds of chicken that I grilled last night. 7.5 ounces and 300 grams of rice. While I was making some coffee, and I was telling me about her recent purchase of a shampoo, and she said that when she goes to Sephora you have to pay double, and here she got 2 for the price of 1.
Amazon.
And are you willing to share what it is?
Sure. This is Alterna Caviar Shampoo. $32 for 1 on Sephora, and this is conditioner and shampoo for $32 on Amazon.com.
What are the benefits of that shampoo?
It's caviar, repairs damage, no parabens, sulfates, makes your hair super shiny,
Oh wow.
makes it grow. One of the best shampoos on the market, period. If you're ever going to invest in a shampoo, this is the best. And the best BCAAs in town, which is, I love grape flavor, and watermelon's the best.
And I hate grape flavor.
I love grape, but he is actually hardcore. He doesn't like any flavoring in his BCAAs, and he drinks the Salvation brand, but raw, without anything or any additives. And the cat just tried
Raw.
to commit suicide.
It's raw, but the cat.
He
fell. He fell. He tried to jump onto the stool and he fell on my foot. Misha, okay, try again. Come on. Go.
He's getting fat.
There you go. Good boy.
Wow, he actually did what you said.
Yeah.
He has like a hard breathing right now.
Like me? Try to carry 300 pounds. And Misha is the same. He's a heavyweight. We just arrived to the gym, and it's a chest day.
Till it's a Friday night.
Yeah.
It's Friday night turned up.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's about
Everybody's
8:30.
tired, everybody's exhausted, but we're still getting in. Anna, why are you training today?
Hey guys, glutes. I always do glutes when you does chest, so you know it. That was a good lift?
Very good.
Yeah.
Did you work out, Anna?
You know, everyone has taken my machine and runs up and starts doing something right next to me as I'm about to do it. So it's kind of frustrating.
You got some glute pump, alright?
Yeah, squeeze the glutes.
Yeah. Alright guys, we just finished our workout.
Yeah.
And it seems like our vlog's taking place either in the car, in the garage, at the gym, or indoors in the house. I'm thinking of doing something a little bit more exciting, maybe challenging as well. Otherwise it feels like an old man's vlog. Well, tell me in the comments below, please. And for today, this is the
if anyone's still awake watching this shit, yeah, the fuck.
well, thank you for watching, and this is the end of the vlog number 3. Bye.